Organizing a small fridge gets easy with these dividers. More on that in the full vlog. Now I can see all the veggies clearly. I quickly decided to wipe down the sofa with my best friend, and that is my vacuum cleaner. Did I tell you about the baking soda trick to freshen up the carpets? Without realizing, it was dinner time and I headed to make yummy soya chili with fried rice. I used a shortcut that night and chopped everything for the rice in a chopper. The colorful bell peppers for the soya chili were mind-blowing. Air fryer did most of the job for me and I was left to simply present everything beautifully.